Yeah. And here's a table site with the road to El Dorado. And it was printed on June 12, 2000. On video and DVD.
Ever wonder what chickens do when you're not looking? Operation Cover Up! No chicken escapes from Tweedy's farm!
You've got to get out of here. I know our last escape attempt was a bit of a fiasco.
These chickens are planning a little getaway.
The plan is, we go over the wire.
That might work.
Now, they may have found their only hope.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You've been a wonderful audience. The name's Rocky.
And what brings you to England?
Why, all the beautiful English chicks, of course.
Pushy Americans.
Hi, how are you?
Overpaid, oversexed, and over here.
Which funk is mine? What is it?
It's a pie machine. Chickens go in, pies come out.
Ooh, what kind of pies?
We're all going to fly over that fence, and Mr. Rhodes is going to show us how.
Did you say fly?
I don't want to be a pie. I don't like gravy. Rocky!
I'm coming!
From the Academy Award-winning creators of Wallace and Gromit.
I'll be down before you can say mixed vegetables!
Dare to dream
There's a better place out there.
and get ready to fly.
In the quite likely event of an emergency, put your head between your knees and
Kiss your bum goodbye.
Chicken Run.
We mustn't panic. We mustn't panic.
On video and DVD.
From the filmmakers who created The Prince of Egypt comes the next in a series of classic stories. DreamWorks Home Entertainment invites you on an all-new animated adventure. The film critics call epic and grand. Storytelling at its best. A story that will live forever.
Tell Pharaoh about my gift, please. I'm told you merely need to hear a dream. You can explain it. That is true.
This holiday season, believe in the miracle of dreams. DreamWorks Home Entertainment presents the classic story of one man and his incredible gift. Joseph, King of Dreams. Own the film the entire family can enjoy.
Universal Studios Home Video proudly presents The Land Before Time 7. Search for the Stone of Cold Fire with the same wonderful characters everyone knows and loves. Littlefoot,
If we found that stone of cold fire, everyone could see it for themselves.
Petrie and Sarah,
Sarah, you saved me. Yeah, so no big deal. Duh.
Ducky Rocky and Spike. There's fun.
Everybody's got a little dark side to 'em. Everyone has got a little light.
And excitement
Where are we? I'm not sure.
that kids love time and time again.
Beyond the mysterious beyond, trust your own imagination. You are a part of the creation of all that lies beyond.
Look for The Land Before Time 7. Search for the Stone of Cold Fire. Coming this holiday season.
There it is.
Get ready.
Pedal to the metal right now. Pedal to the metal. All right, let's go.
It's time to own one of the best family comedies of the year.
Where we are in space.
You can join Tim Allen
We need your help. Maybe I should get some pants on.
and Sigourney Weaver
Hi, little guy.
on their journey to outer space.
Just gonna have to kill it. Well, I'm open to any suggestions.
It's the film critics call good family fun.
The whole thing was just a misunderstanding.
Galaxy Quest. Own it on video and DVD today.
This film's a modified spiritual version. It's format for your screen.